want to give back. I can really vest, in this role. And I think I've got the personality that's ideal. For me, it's about making ASSA famous, making its stakeholder set famous. That for me is the most important thing. I'm in the privileged position as the coordinator of the final fellowship professionalism course to see how the mix is changing, to see the great culture, the great connection that exists between the young fellows. And that really excites me to see what's possible looking forward. So what can ASSA do to make sure that more fellows, more transformation actually come through? The actuarial profession by design is about problem solving. If you look across the different industry domains, be it banking, be it short-term, be it life, pensions, wider field, there's so many, consulting. I think how we work together to actually elevate our problem-solving capabilities, I think for me is very important. The future is, for me, about connection, making our stakeholders famous, making each other famous, working together to solve real problems. I can only say, let's do more together.